Welcome to How to Do Pyung Ahn O Dan for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Pyung Ahn O Dan. It is the fifth form of 5 in the Pyong An series. That's right, we're at the end of our Pyong An journey. No worry, I'm going to have some other videos breaking down these forms into different sections and segments for analysis and application. So be on the lookout for those in the future. Pyong Ahn O Dan has 28 movements, and like its predecessor, Pyong Ahn Sadan, Pyong Ahn O Dan also is starting to get away from the Gicheong series pattern. For the Gicheong series pattern, you can check those out here on the Rockhold Karate YouTube channel. Like I was saying, the Pyong Ahn O Dan format is more linear, back and forth. And in addition to that, the techniques are more compact and closer to the body. So I'm going to demonstrate the form itself here. Let me get set up and I'll be right back. Pyong Ahn O Dan. Chariot. Come to attention. Kinhei bow. Chumbi jase. Ready stance. First I'm going to prepare for Yapmaki to the left in Hugo jase. So Shisan looking left, prepare the block, side block in back stance, then Yakjin Kong Kyuk, short punch. From there I'm going to turn my left foot straight to the front, shift over and stand up straight as I bring my hands across. Look to the right, do the same techniques on the other side as well, and come back over. From here I'm going to step out to Chungol Jase, Sang Soo Maki. So front stance to the block. Then Hadan Sang Soo Maki in front stance as well. Shift back to Sakura Jase, side stance, and then Sandan Sang Soo Maki, high crossing block. From here, I'm going to turn my hands in and out. So my left hand is facing me, my right hand is facing outward. I'm going to go to Murup Chagi, knee kick, as I switch my hands over and come to the right side of my body. From here, Sandan Soo Do or Tulo Sandan Soo Do Kong Kyuk, high knife hand strike, and then land Chungo Jase Chundan Kong Kyuk, middle punch, and also Kiap. Now I need to turn 180 degrees, so I'm going to look over my shoulder in Pakiso Anro Maki, outside inside block. This will be followed by a Pakiso Anro Chagi. Right now I'm in a kind of a wide Kirop Jase, cross-legged stance. Okay, so outside inside kick, and then also I'm going to land in Kima Jase and low block simultaneously. So do the kick and land in low block. Look back to the front. I'm going to prepare, so cover up. My left hand is underneath. From here I'm going to strike Sandan Kong Kyuk. Okay, so backhand strike. From here I'm going to Pakiso Ano Chagi or Babadak Yoramaki. Outside inside block kick into my hand, followed by Pakuk Chigi and Kima Jase, so elbow strike into horse stance. So outside inside kick, land the elbow in a Kima Jase horse stance. From here, I'm going to Kirop Jase, cross leg stance, and Kapkon Kong Kyuk towards the camera. Okay, so we've got cross leg stance and back fist supported by my other fist. I'm going to Jumak Kong Kyuk up as I step into Hugo Jase and look back towards the flag wall. From here, I'm going to step and then jump and land in Kirop Jase in Haran Sang Soo Maki, low crossing block. Now land the block. Make sure your posture is upright hands are crossed and out front of you. From here, I'll stand up into Chunggo Jase, front stance, and Sangsumaki to the right. I'll look 180 degrees, and Tulo Haran Kwansu Konkyo, low spear hand in Chunggo Jase. It's a mouthful. All right. From here, I'm going to do Haran Maki and Hugo Jase. Pull back into back stance. I'm going to bring in my foot as I breathe in and breathe out. Stand upright. And then I'm going to do San Maki mountain block. So it's like 2 inside outside blocks very high. And I twist in Kirap Jase, cross leg stance. And then one more time, and I'm going to do Tulo Kwansu, or yes, Tulo Kwansu Konkyuk, or Tulo Haran Kwansu Konkyuk, low spear hand in Chunggo Jase. From here, I'll pull back into the low block in back stance and Kyap. Go back to Chumbi, and then Chariot, come to attention, Knie bow, and back to Chumbi Jase. And that is Pyung Ahn O Dan. Be sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell for new video notifications. And that's it for all the Pyong An series forms. But don't worry, I'll do an analysis and breakdown of these forms and segments. So there'll be plenty more material to come up later. And in the meantime, you can check out the Chill Song series that I have on the channel as well. Until then, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy. Welcome to That's a great start. No, it wasn't. All right, and I'm gonna say some other stuff that I totally forgot. I need some serious caffeination. Who's we? This is me and the camera. What's up, camera? He's talking to himself again. What? Are you done?